Sometimes I must admit Jesus baffles me. John chapter 5 is the perfect example of this. To set the scene, there's a man sitting at the pool. He's lame from birth. He's been sitting there. He's waiting for someone to push him in the water so he can be whole. And Jesus asked like the craziest question. He was like, do you want to be whole? Like what? I'm sitting here by the pool. Been here my whole life. 30 something years. Like for real. Like, and you gonna ask me, do I want to be better? Like, for real, like, why would Jesus do that? It seems almost insulting until you look for the inspiration in it. And I really believe that Jesus was saying, like, for real, do you really want this? And many times I think in our spiritual life, sometimes we can over spiritualize everything. And I wonder what would be your answer if in the year 2021, if today, if tomorrow, before the year began, Jesus just came and asked you, what do you want? Do you have an answer? And I want you to think about that as we end 2020. There's been a year that's been just crazy where a lot of people have lost jobs, have lost loved ones, have lost hope, have lost joy, have lost like everything they thought they needed, right? Yes, they're still here. But if Jesus were to ask you, what do you want in 2021? What would be your answer? And I want you to guide those prayers and things of that nature. The man does say, yes, I do want to be made whole, but I have no one to put me in the water. Jesus then commands him. He says, get up. I want to read it to you. This is what it says. It says this way. When Jesus said, I can't, sir. That's what the sick man said. For I have no one to help me into the pool when the water is stirred up. While I am trying to get there, someone else always gets in ahead of me. Jesus told him, stand up, pick up your sleeping mat, and walk. He identified it exactly what he wanted. He knew the reason why he didn't have it. And Jesus said, get your stuff, let's roll. And I think in our lives in 2020, I know we've lost. I know it's been different. I know it's been a lot to adjust to, but it's time to roll out. We cannot live 2021 thinking all the time about 2020. Yes, it changed lives. Yes, it changed things, but we got to roll out. Pick up your mat, walk. I'm challenging you, even as you get ready for your watch services and things of that nature. Pick up your mat, walk. We survived it. We're still here. Pick up your mat. Let's walk. Well, I don't have the people I want around me, and I don't have this, and I don't have that. Pick up your mat and walk. What do you want God to do in 2021? I believe he really can't completely do it until you're willing to pick up your mat and walk. That's my challenge to you. Walk into 2021. Yeah, 2020 was rough. Yes, it was hard times. Yes, it didn't go as planned. Yes, some loved ones were lost. Yes, some hope was lost. Yes, some peace was lost. Yes, some money was lost. I want us to face reality, but I want to say, let's roll out and see what the end gonna be.